Hello everyone, welcome to Anjali Talks. I hope you all are doing good and keeping safe. Here I am with a new lesson on vocabularies where I'll be telling you 5 new words for today. I'm sure those who have already seen my previous videos on vocabularies, they know the design of these videos. But for those who are new to this channel, I would like to share the design of these videos once again. So in these vocabulary series, I generally cover the correct meaning, their pronunciation and their sentences and usage. So let's get started with today's session. So the first word that I have for you today is contemplate. Contemplate. It means to consider, to look carefully at something, ruminate, ponder, to think about something for a long time. This means contemplate. So I would like to give you few sentences to make this word more clear. It can be, I can't even contemplate sharing my room with someone. So the sentence is saying, I can't even contemplate sharing my room with someone. So I hope the meaning is a little bit of clear. And now moving on to the second sentences. Before spending a lot of money, they decided to contemplate buying a second hand. Before spending a lot of money, they decided to contemplate buying second hand. Well, this brings me to the next word that is for today is sanguine. Sanguine. Sanguine means being positive, especially in a very bad situation, or we can say optimistic. So now let's move to the sentences part. He has a sanguine attitude to life. He has a sanguine attitude to life. Or we can take one more sentence. Most of the scientists are sanguine about the possibility of inflation. I repeat, most of the scientists are sanguine about the possibility of inflation. So I hope with these two sentences, the meaning of this word is clear to you. So now we can move to the third word that is for today. The word that I have for you today is conspicuous. It's conspicuous. It means clearly visible, anything that is clearly seen and noticeable, or that is attracting anyone's attention. It is called conspicuous. So the sentences we can make out of this word can be, the bird has a conspicuous red head. The bird has a conspicuous red head. My friend, or we can say my friend was very uncomfortable about his conspicuous weight gain. My friend was very uncomfortable about his conspicuous weight gain. So these were the two sentences that you can make, and even you can make some more. So you can write me in the comments box. So the fourth word that I have for you today is loquacious. Loquacious. Loquacious means one who is very talkative, or one who tends to speak a lot, or you can say garrulous. Garrulous. So now moving to the sentence part. There's nothing worse than having a loquacious person sit next to you in an aeroplane. I repeat, there's nothing worse than having a loquacious person sit next to you. And another sentence we can make out of this word can be, my sister may appear quiet initially, but once she gets to know you, she is loquacious. I will repeat, my sister may appear quiet initially, but once she gets to know you, she is loquacious. So simply, I hope the idea of this sentence is easily understood and conveyed to you. So now this brings me to the fifth word, and the last word for today is apocryphal. Apocryphal. It means any story that is made up, something that is fabricated, imaginary and fictitious. These synonyms, I hope the meaning of this word is clear to you. So now we can move to the sentences part. After years of long research, the scientists are finally able to disprove the apocryphal theorem. After years of long research, the scientists are finally able to disprove the apocryphal theorem. The second sentence for this word is, children don't believe that the tales of fairy are apocryphal. Children don't believe that the tales of fairy are apocryphal. So this brings me to the end of this session, and I hope you found these words meaningful and useful for you. And with this, I would like to conclude today's session on this note that you will practice these sentences and words regularly, and you will surely make some new sentences out of these words, and you can also write me in the comment section below so that we have a happy and smart learning together. So with this, I would like to say goodbye to all of you for staying with me in this session, and thank you for your precious time. Anjali Chauhan signing off. Thank you.